Hey there, Mike is here from Mike's Biz Insights or setaffiliatebusiness.com as a website. And talking about a website, as a content creator, you're probably wondering how to write an informational article using AI. In these days, it might be easier than you think, and in this video, I will show you how to create such an article, how to pick the keyword, how to make the keyword even more specific so you'll have a better chance to rank in Google and in other search engines. And also we'll be showing how an AI can help us to outline the article and eventually how to write the entire article. So first of all, let me briefly explain what an informational article is. An informational article is designed purely to educate your audience without the intent to sell anything. Its purpose is to provide valuable knowledge, helping to build trust and establish you as an authority within your niche. And later, you can transition to affiliate pages where you seamlessly integrate product or service recommendations based on the trust you built. So let's leverage the AI. Let the AI help us with building such an article. Our niche is coffee or coffee machines. As we can see over here, we have already selected our niche and there are many categories we can choose from. Coffee equipment, coffee culture, home coffee bar setup, coffee machine, and we can even add a new category, let's say coffee at home, add, and the website content and structure will show us potential posts for our specific category, that is coffee at home. So that could be top 10 coffee beans for the perfect home brew, how to create your own coffee bar at home, step-by-step guide to using French press. But the informational article is about providing the value, so let's focus on how-to articles. We could select the specific article, how to create your own coffee bar at home, cold brew versus iced coffee. That's an interesting idea. Since it's a summer, at least in the northern hemisphere, we can make article about how to make iced coffee at home. Let's go to the writing task and let's add an article. And let's enter the keyword, how to make iced coffee. Let's click on the suggestion, how to make iced coffee, and over here we can add it to our tasks. It's been added, and furthermore we have some more ideas, iced coffee recipes, iced coffee equipment reviews. For time being, our intention is not to sell anything, so reviews we can skip it for now. Iced coffee subscription, iced coffee tutorials, that could be one of the other articles we might do in the future. And there are a lot more ideas that we can take a look later on, but for the sake of this article, let's close this down. And in here within my writing task, we have the title ready. We can take a look at the keyword itself in the Jaxi, which is a keyword research tool. How to make iced coffee. We see that the average number of searches per month is quite low. That's a good thing. There is also a good potential for the traffic. That's the second column. But QSR is the number of websites that try to rank for this specific keyword, and that's why we need to dig a bit deeper and to find a more specific keyword. For that purpose, let's go to Google and let's type how to make iced coffee, and we will be using the Google suggestions. Since all this about text these are suggestions that are current and people are searching for it. So how to make iced coffee at home, that's a good one. Let's go a bit deeper, space, without machine. That looks good. Let's type this into the keyword research tool again, and we see that the number of competition is a lot lower. So we will be using this specific keyword as a primary keyword within our article. So let's get over back to our hub and let's add an article, this specific, how to make iced coffee at home without machine. So we have added the article in our tasks. We can go directly to the right article, but let's also take a look at the SERP meaning search engine results page, to see how the articles looks like. See that there is allrecipes.com, easy iced coffee, there are ingredients, directions, step 1, step 2, step 3, okay, that's it. We see that there is a Reddit, there is another website. Let's take a look at this website. Coffee recipe, homemade coffee recipe, good ingredients, how to make iced coffee. Okay, so we have an idea what the outline of the article should look like, and with this information let's write the article, or actually let's write the outline. Here is our tasks. Write article, and we'll be using the article design, which is AI powered within the Wealthy Affiliate, and this will be the blog post. Here we have already the title, and here is the important thing, since we want to have the article unique, so that's why we will be using this box over here where we will add more details about our article. As we have seen in the outline of the other article, they were talking about the ingredients. So let's type in some instructions, have a section dedicated to ingredients only, have a step-by-step procedure how to make the iced coffee, and let's add some more notes, meaning we also want to have whether there are some pros of the iced coffee, the benefits, and also we want to have the article easy to understand, so we will be adding the note saying use simple language that even non-native English speakers can easily understand. Okay, regarding these notes, you can write whatever you want. The more you write, the more specific and unique the article will be. So I would suggest you to use this specific section, even though it says optional. It's very important to put as many details as possible. Now moving on to the content length, we can have the article up to 400 words or up to 3000 words. It depends on our needs. I would suggest to go with the 1500 words and 5 sections. It doesn't mean that the article will have the 5 sections, but for our purpose, maybe 3 to 4 sections would be good enough. So choosing the 5 sections is not a bad idea, since we can still delete some sections once we see the outline. So let's go to and create the article outline. So we see that there are really 5 sections, and there will be the introduction, essential ingredients, step-by-step guide, the benefits, enjoying, and a conclusion. Okay, that's good enough for me. But I would say you as a content creator within the coffee niche, you want to go over the outline and check the subsections. You can even add a new sections, or you can delete these sections. So it's always good to put your style within the article. But for the sake of this video, let's pretend that this is good enough for us. In the next step, we will choose the author, and we can write it by ourselves, or we can use the AI author, and this will be a lot easier and a lot faster. So pick an AI author, and we can have the article using a professional style or a conversational style. Since this is an informational article that's supposed to be very easy to understand, we will pick the conversational blogger. So let's click on it and let's create the article. This should take up to 2 minutes. We see that the article is ready, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, including the intro and the conclusion. It has 840 characters, and as we have seen over here, these articles that are ranking in SERP are also quite short, so it's not a big deal that it's not that long. I recommend to read the article, and if you are not happy with some words or some sentences, you should edit it. What I also would suggest is to break the article for a better readability. We don't want to have a big chunk of text. So once we are happy with that, we can save it as a draft, or we can publish it. Within the Wealthy Affiliate platform, we will choose on what website we want to publish it. And even as a starter member, you can have at least one website where you can publish your article. This will be the permalink, how to make iced coffee at home without the machine, and I'll publish it. The post has been published and we can view the post. As we see, the article is ready and published on our website. If you feel like you need to edit some sections, you feel free to do that. This is how easily you can write an informational article using the AI assistant within the Wealthy Affiliate. Another thing what you will be needing, of course, are some images, and also if there is some room for it, you can even add some charts or tables that makes the article even more engaging. If you have questions regarding the article or regarding the platform I have been using, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to provide you with a feedback. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.